Hey guys, Trippy, welcome to the video. Today myself and Connor are revisiting Botallack Mine. It's a place I've visited quite a lot in the past year or so, but wanted to come back with the drone today just because since I've got the drone I haven't been here, and it's such a kind of iconic location because of where the engine houses are placed on the cliff. It kind of looks like a movie set, so I thought where better to test the drone and the 360 camera as well, I bought that today, than a place like Botallack. Yeah, just one of my favourite places to go just because of the scenery. And we'll also be doing another video in the near future. It could be like a month, it could be a couple of months, or maybe a week depending on the weather. But me and Connor have got a place we call Barbecue Rock, which is where about a year or so ago we came and just had a barbecue down on the rocks, and it's quite an easy place to get to. There's sort of a scary section and a not so scary section, and obviously me being me, I went for the not so scary one. But the seals just sort of like hang around and watch you. They're obviously in the sea, but they don't come too close. But yeah, it's just a nice little tucked away place where you can have a barbecue and not be disturbed by other people or like seagulls and stuff like that. So we did come up with the idea as well. I'm sure you guys have seen on YouTube like top 10 places in Cornwall to visit. Me and Connor have like toyed with doing videos like that, but I thought the other day, because we had our first barbecue of the year at Mullion, I don't think I've done that video yet. I thought maybe I could do like a top 5 sort of secret-y places to have barbecues where people won't bother you. So obviously Mullion's going to be one, and Barbecue Rock, as we call it, is going to be another one, so it could be something else, and it's just another reason to get me out of the house as well, and also another reason to eat burgers, so it's all win in my book. But yeah, it's quite a long intro, so I'll crack on with the video now. Hopefully you guys enjoy the footage, and if I've got anything more to say, I'll see you in a bit, and if not, yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Oh, it's nice to be out of the wind down here. It is a bit spooky, isn't it? Oh. All the places to dump a table. What? There's an old table being dumped in there. It's like a little seat there, they got bottles. So I have no idea how well this is going to cut. It's reasonably light in here, it's just the deeper you go in.
It's more like...
Oh, through the little tunnel bit.
More of a case like when you film out, you'll see how bright it is.
Yeah.
But look, you can... It's like little kind of...
Oh, I can just picture something coming, like crawling out of that. Like,
well, this is just like that cave in that film I was telling you about.
do you want to have a crawl up there with a phone light?
What?
Do you want to have a crawl up there?
I'll meet you there.
Eh?
I'll meet you there.
Call me Mr. Picky. I don't know how people have got up there. They must have given each other like a footy or something. It looks like they've like sat at the top.
There's another little cave down there, so it goes in a bit further.
I'll have a look. Ooh. Yeah, it gives me the heebie-jeebies. I've watched too many horror movies where at night time they come out and they're like walking on their hands and feet, like coming to get you. I wonder if it's, I assume this place has got a name, like Botallack Cave. Oh, look at that! There's a green handprint behind you.
I don't know what that means.
It's like a perfectly fits my hand. I'm the monster. So you can see all the bottle caps on the floor. Tell us like a bit of a party den. Jesus. like it. It doesn't stop its last no. You're going down that bit? I remember it, yeah. I just don't like it. Honest, I'm happy to wait, I'm in no rush. What I might do is walk back up. I might walk up just to the top, just to see if I can get a signal. But I'm in no rush. No thank you. Good for me. I'm going to go up to the top. I was going to try and fly the drone. Sorry about the wind. We're going to try and take off from here. But it's an authorization zone, so you basically have to request access to fly. But I haven't got a signal for the internet to try and connect to it. So I'm going to go, well, Connor's down there. It is good down there, but yeah, I just don't want to risk it. So while he's down there, I'm going to climb back up and see if I can get a signal and connect the drone. It seems like the south of Cornwall, you've got like, well, this one says for Land's End. I don't know if there's an airfield there. But it's like Land's End, Botallack. There's more, I can't remember the names of them now, but if you look on like the no-fly zone for drones, there's like loads of areas where to the south of Cornwall you can't fly, and like the further north you go, the more access you've got. And unfortunately, we're quite far south, so yeah, it's given us problems. We wanted to fly down at Kynance Cove, but it's just like complete no-go. You're not allowed to fly at all. God, I'm unfit. So I'm just going to, yeah, just walk and stop and check, and hopefully I don't have to do it too much, and eventually get a view of the drone of this, because as you can see, you can see Connor down there just about. Pretty epic views. I've seen a couple of drone videos of this area and it looks stunning, so I'd love to try and get my own, but it's whether the drone will let me. So I put the camera down, try and get the drone working, and I'm back in a bit. Don't know if you can see me, he's miles away. Still no joy on the drone front. I don't know if it's because I was like down and couldn't get a signal, but even here I just can't get it to connect. So I thought if I try and get away from the rocks and across here, I don't know, it'd be a good view regardless. It'd just be quite disappointed if I can't fly the drone here, just because I was like, that view there is impressive, but from the air it'll be even better. So I might have to try and gamble it a little bit, and maybe like if I can find signal there, fly all the way across. I'm determined to get it. So we're both a bit gutted that we couldn't fly at Kynance Cove, so to be defeated twice would be a big bummer. So yeah, I'll do what I can. See how I get on. But the wind is there. Oh Jesus, nearly lost my hat. The wind is picking up. Wow, really picking up. Maybe it's a sign that I shouldn't fly the drone. probably a spot for the 360 camera to see the drop on both sides, but yeah, I love it here. One day we'll show you the barbecue rock video, where we've gone twice for, well, been there 2 or 3 times, but only once had the barbecue. Basically, you have to go up there and follow the coast along, and then there's like a little, it looks like it's a sheer drop, but it's not. You can sort of like climb down the rocks, and like the seals come really, really close to you. But I don't know if we're going to go that way today, because hopefully if we've got time we're going to go to a place called Zenor, which is between here and St Ives. I've never been there, but I've heard good things, so hopefully we can stop off there at some point. Oh, that makes your eyes go funny. It's making my knees quiver. I'll do that again with the 360 camera walking back. Trying to capture the big sploosh. It went massive a minute ago. Yeah. Come on, wave.